Taking a quick look at Square on the daily chart, we got a small little pullback right here. I do have some previous pullbacks that are very similar. This one's $23.42, $22.21, $24.18. I used my Fibonacci extension tool, click from pivot high, pivot low, projecting into this new recent high. One more time, pivot high, pivot low, projecting into this new recent high. Pivot high, pivot low, projecting it. Going to use my Fib retracement next. I'm going to pull from this pivot low to pivot high. And we do have a 50% retracement that is matching up with the symmetry support work that I just did. I'm going to pull again from this pivot low to pivot high. And this one's also providing a 382. So I already have a 5 price relationship right against that pivot. On the hourly chart, taking a quick look, price is trading nicely above that 200 moving average. Now I need that trigger on the 15 minute. What I mean by that is the 8 moving average must cross against the 34 to the upside. Continue to establish a series of higher highs and higher lows. If I get a trigger to go long, 𝗪𝗏𝗍𝗿𝗍, you can pick up some Square and set your stop below this pivot low. I'm sure many of you are familiar with Square and their technology for payment processing. Last year, I also announced they invested $50 million in Bitcoin. Back in July, they also announced they were building a hardware wallet for cryptocurrencies. Square is specifically focused on Bitcoin DeFi businesses. Looking at their financials, you can see a geometric growth of their top line revenue. If we do get a trigger to go long, we can start to map out a profit extension. So we want to use our Fibonacci retracement tool, clicking from pivot high, pivot low, removing calculations under 100%. Our first profit target is a 113 extension to the upside, which is 292 and some change. If you'd like to develop the confidence to find high probability setups using Fibonacci analysis, check out my course in the descriptions below. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe now. Hit that notification button. We go over cryptocurrencies as well as US equities. Love to hear from you in the comments area, and I'll talk to you soon.